media, key market participants, and our esteemed guests. Your presence are only enhance the significance of the movement and also help us to reach the stakeholder across the country. I am Ishita Shrivastava from the NNM Group, and we are absolutely proud to be associated with this offering as our underwriters and the market making to decision. Today's event is a celebration of progress, ambition, and the opportunity to formally begin. And I would like to introduce the visionary leader at the helm of this company. I would like to request, I would like to invite the managing director, the promoter of Neetu Yoshi Limited, Mr. Himanshu Lohia. Himanshu Lohia is a visionary entrepreneur. He has led transformation of Neetu Yoshi from the fortune unit into a respected name in the railway component manufacturing. His leadership and commitment to innovation has positioned the company as the trusted partners through the Indian Railways, an emerging force in India's infrastructure growth story. I would now request everybody to stand for the national anthem. Suspension, propulsion, and the coupling systems used across the locomotives, wagons, coaches, and railways track. The company's advanced manufacturing facility in Bambanpur, Uttarakhand, spans 7,173 square meters, featuring a cutting-edge technology and CNC capabilities and a skilled workforce committed to precision and quality. This IPO represents a significant step in scaling operations, expanding capacity, the strengthening the company's role in India's infrastructure and mobility ecosystem. Now I would request if we can play the company video. I would like to invite Mr. Himanshu Lohia to take the mic.
Wishing you all a very useful afternoon. Thank you so much for investing your time with us today. I'm sure it'll be a rewarding experience for all of us. Before we start, our name Neetu Yoshi, it's a very unique name. I would just like to give you the background about it. Neetu is my mother's name, and Yoshi means good luck in Japanese, and that's how we established this name with blessings and good luck. So we started our journey in 2020, and as on date we are registered for 28 critical safety components of railways and supplying it to various bogie manufacturers and wagon manufacturers. These components are the safety components, which failure of these components would lead to a life risk. So they are being only manufactured by the Class A companies. So our company is established as a Class A company by RDSO. So to better understand about our manufacturing facility and what products we are manufacturing, I would just like to play a small video. So please play the video. This is a manufacturing plant which is established in Hyderabad, spread around 7,000 square meters. We firmly believe that we are working for the God and we are working for the Lord. This is our engine block. Divided the company into 5 different states. First is the inward where the material goes in. The basic raw material which we have is the scrap, which is procured at various railway workshops. This is the foundry. The first step which we follow is the melting. So we have got various arc furnaces and induction furnaces where the metal is melted. This is the testing process for testing the composition of the metal which is done in spectrometer. And the reading is displayed out. This is a complete cell manufacturing plant. This have a capacity of 80 metric ton per day. These are the various testing process for testing the quality of cell, which relates to probability, moisture testing, air content. And last, the cell which we required is prepared and stored in the hopper. These are designing of all the patterns which we follow in the house. Once we have the pattern ready, cell ready, the material is molded as per the required mold. And these all things are done to the high pressure molding line which is established in our plant. Mold is heated to remove the moisture. It's a complete automatic molding line. As you will see that the metal is poured into it to give it the shape, and it is moved towards the knockout where the material is knocked out, where it is a fresh ready material, and the sand goes back to the rejuvenation plant. The material is moved towards the pelting process, which is the next process. The material is treated with a small two-shot ball and the sand is removed. Further material is moved towards material treatment processes, which are done to various different processes, which is heat treatment, water quenching, induction hardening, salt bath machine. So this is one of the processes is called heat treatment, where the material is heated up to 800 degrees so that the tensile strength and the impact still could be increased with the material. So we have the complete testing facility in-house, whichever testing is possible on any metal component, we have it in-house. Impact is set up to -32 degrees. Microstructure of material, the various sizes and strength. This is the induction hardening process where the top of the material which require higher hardness compared to the lower part. So it's a SPM spatial machine which is service for this product. Above part is heated up to 800 degrees Celsius and given to water testing. Basically, this is the hardness of the above metal. Complete machine shop which we have includes latest CNC machines, BT and HMC, where the material is machined according to the required dimensions. This is the coordinate machine which is called a CMS, high-tech CMS machine for measuring all the coordinate dimensions of the machine. Material is further checked to precision gauges and further inspected by RDSO. The inspection agency of railways, and painted and dispatched. So we are supporting the movement of material. Further, as on date, we are focusing on the railways, wherein we are manufacturing all the components for the railways. So as I explained you, this is the process that we are following for manufacturing the critical components, and we are approved for 28 critical parts, and we applied for another 15 parts in the same facility. So I would just like to play another small video wherein you will get to know the application of these products, where these products are used and what are the usages of it. Please play the product video. So these are few of our products. So you can see this is the complete wagon, and the down part is the bogie. This is the underplate part, and we are making the safety components, critical components for these bogies. So these are wedges which takes the complete load of these bogies. Friction of these bogies. So there are 4 different designs for this, and we are manufacturing 4 of them, approved by RDSO for 4 of them. So this is center pivot assembly which holds the bogie and the wagon together. We are approved by RDSO for manufacturing these critical components, and there are 4 designs of this. We are approved for 4 of them. So this is the brake wheel. One of the major part in the braking system of the whole bogie. It comprises of 3 different products. It's a complete assembly. This is the entry right, entry left, and the stud casting in the center. We are approved by RDSO for manufacturing of these brake wheels. So this is the coupling system, which is made of 13 different components, which holds two wagons together, and we are approved by RDSO for manufacturing 3 of its components, which is the striker casting, backstop, and the biplace. So this is the exterior of the bogie, which is called the adapter, which is placed out of the bearings of the bogie. These are wide jaw adapters and the narrow jaw adapters. We are approved by RDSO for manufacturing 4 kinds of. These are the components which we are manufacturing for the railways and supplying it to all the zonal railways and also the private companies like Titagarh, Jupiter, which is completely material inspected by the railway. So starting with the presentation.